Autoimmune disease vitiligo, use Iteracare terahertz, a home-based therapy. Have you heard of terahertz technology, one of the most recent advances on the medical front to treat not only vitiligo but psoriasis, eczema and a host of other health conditions by inducing self-healing in the body? The Iteracare blower uses terahertz technology and was launched in June 2021, and within a year, it has penetrated nearly 40 countries around the world. Currently, there are regional offices and stockists in the US, India, Indonesia, Philippines, Australia, Eastern Europe, and still expanding. Iteracare uses electromagnetic waves that can penetrate the skin between 20 to 30 centimeters, reaching the bone marrow, micro blood vessels and capillaries. By doing this, it repairs the damaged cells and tissues, thus activating healthy body cells. What is vitiligo? Vitiligo is a pigmentation disorder of the skin and mucous membranes. It is progressive, with the affected skin losing its coloration. Vitiligo affects nearly 2% of the world population, especially adults over 20 years old. It is not contagious or life-threatening, but it does last for life, which patients can find upsetting and depressing. The characteristic white patches are more common where the skin is exposed to the sun, and patients with vitiligo will notice their hair turn gray at a relatively young age. Causes of vitiligo. The condition occurs in people of all races and skin colors, both male and female alike. The risk of it developing increases if you have a close blood relative with vitiligo, Hashimoto's disease, or alopecia areata, both autoimmune disorders that affects the thyroid gland and causes hair loss, respectively. What can you do if you have vitiligo? Some patients opt to avoid vitiligo treatments and use makeup, self-tanning and skin dyes to disguise the affected areas. Properties of the Iteracare terahertz blower. 1. It is a handheld blower that looks like a hair dryer, with 3 levels of adjustable heat. It is user-friendly, as it is easy to operate, and no professional skill or knowledge required. Just blow it on the uncomfortable and affected areas in the body, and see fast results. 2. There are no side effects if continuously used on the body. In fact, faster results will be seen. Can be safely used on infants and the elderly. 3. Easy to use blower to charge drinking water with terahertz energy. Daily consumption of this water will activate cells to carry more oxygen, nutrients and minerals in the body. At the same time, toxins accumulated will be removed from the body. 4. There are many testimonials from people around the world, some are shown in this video. 5. In certain countries, naturopathy doctors are using the Iteracare blower in their practice because they say that their treatment works faster. How can the Iteracare terahertz blower help with vitiligo? Hello, would you like to know how you could awaken the self-healing power within you using the Iteracare, a revolutionary health device using terahertz technology? You might ask, what is terahertz technology? American scientists first discovered terahertz in the 1980s and described it as an infrared light that matches the vibration frequency of human cells. They found it could resonate with human cells to activate the cells in the body. The Japanese scientist named it the light of life, and the Chinese scientist eventually termed it God's waveband, a divine frequency. Listed below are testimonies given by grateful customers to be shared with those. This image shows a male suffering from vitiligo. Vitiligo is a disease that causes loss of skin color in patches. It is caused by the lack of melanin, which is the pigment in the skin. This person gave a testimony that his condition improved after 5 months of Iteracare therapy. So people, please take note, just keep using or blowing this amazing device to start seeing fast results. The next testimony is on psoriasis. This man got his severe psoriasis partially healed between 7 to 9 days. He continued using the Iteracare and said that within 22 days, he experienced a 90% recovery. This is a sad case, which shows this elderly lady suffering from systemic lupus erythematosus. Can you imagine if any of your loved ones suffered from this, and you have no solutions to offer them? But this lady was blessed, because someone had introduced her to the Iteracare therapy. Just after 2 therapies, you can see the tremendous improvement for yourself. Awesome results for all to see. This child has a severe skin problem and was truly blessed to have an opportunity to experience the Iteracare. The date on the photo shows that she got back her baby skin within 4 months. How thankful and relieved her parents would be to see their child back to normal. You are strongly advised to energize or charge any water with Iteracare before you drink. Do you want to know what happens to the water after you charge it for 2 minutes? The water molecules become linear, which means the water molecules become small and can be easily absorbed into our body cells. Easy to charge, drinking water with terahertz energy. Daily consumption of this water will activate cells to carry more oxygen, nutrients and minerals in the body. At the same time, toxins accumulated in the body will be removed from the body. Disclaimer: we do not make claims to treat, cure or diagnose with this device. The testimonials shown are from individuals who gave their body what it needed, and self-healing took place. The product mentioned on this page is not to be substituted for professional medical attention. The personal experiences shared are unique to each individual. Everyone's body is different and can react differently to terahertz frequencies. However, we are thrilled with the results we are seeing.